It seems that the whales are insane. Actually, everything is going to change on this day. The biggest whales have already began to worry as a result of the 39 trillion assault, which has only recently started. But first of all, what in the world is happening? Okay, let me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. There was a significant price correction in the whole cryptocurrency market earlier this week. This was a noteworthy development that even ended the remarkable 19-day inflow run for the Bitcoin ETF. Of course, this disappointed a great deal of people. Many investors lost faith in the market as a result of the abrupt price decline, and they began to be cautious about its volatility. But today, I have some positive news to report. Over $100 million has been coming into Bitcoin ETFs since they began to receive inflows once again. This rebound suggests that the enthusiasm and trust in the cryptocurrency market, which had diminished after the price correction, are starting to regain. With the market beginning to stabilize, investors are gradually becoming more upbeat again. Here's something intriguing to consider. Bitcoin whales took advantage of the panic selling and managed to amass a whopping 20,600 Bitcoin worth over $1.38 billion in a single day. Their biggest single-day purchase since late February was made during this purchasing frenzy, indicating a calculated reaction to the ups and downs in the market. The timing is really interesting. The value of Shiba Inu unexpectedly increased in late February, doubling in only a few short days. Could history be repeating itself again? Are we now seeing the start of a comparable wave? Okay, let's investigate. According to latest statistics from CryptoQuant, whales have accumulated the most amount of Bitcoin from the early days of Bitcoin spot ETFs. This implies that despite the market's present volatility, significant investors are quite confident in Bitcoin's long-term potential. Simultaneously, Bitcoin's declining visibility on cryptocurrency exchanges. It is now at its lowest level since December 2021, usually indicates an optimistic attitude among investors. Hanging Bitcoin off exchanges often indicates that investors are hanging onto their holdings rather than selling them because they expect prices to rise in the future. This positive view is supported by the fact that a decrease in the quantity of Bitcoins accessible on exchanges lowers the immediate supply for purchasers. Demand imbalances may lead to price increases as buyers bid for the limited supply if supply stays constant or rises. It's a straightforward example of how dynamics of supply and demand affect market pricing. Regarding Ethereum, whales have also been quite active, having bought over 240,000 Ether for a total of about $840 million. This reflects strong interest in and trust in Ethereum's prospective future worth, which is similar to what has been seen with Bitcoin. Ethereum's exchange reserves have somewhat increased in contrast to Bitcoin. Anyway, let's go on to Shiba Inu, which is causing quite a stir right now with a startling 170% rise in big transaction volumes, clear evidence of whale activity. The observed trend in various cryptocurrencies indicates that substantial investors are proactively reallocating their investments, not just in well-established players such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also in up-and-coming tokens like Shiba Inu. It emphasizes how different assets are impacted differently by the wide attention and calculated actions of significant participants in the cryptocurrency market. This was discovered by an analytics company into the block. It's important to note that only transfers totaling more than $100,000 are considered major transactions. The whole value transmitted in these kinds of transactions inside the cryptocurrency market is determined by this statistic, which is called big transactions volume. This volume usually peaks when there is more activity from institutional investors purchasing or disposing of cryptocurrencies. The most recent statistics from Into the Block indicates that Shiba Inu's big transaction volume has increased by an astounding 170% in the last day. This spike in transaction value equates to $467 million, or almost 21 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The noteworthy alterations in major transactions highlight the considerable involvement of institutional participants in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. This is when the exciting part starts. A key price range of 39 trillion Shiba Inu tokens may be zealously guarded by significant players, as seen by the recent 170% increase in whale transactions involving Shiba Inu. Approximately 39 trillion Shiba Inu coins are being owned over more than 40,000 addresses within this price range, according to Into the Block. This suggests that the whales or significant Shiba Inu holders in the market are working harder to keep the cryptocurrency's value at this critical level. It goes beyond just hoping for stability inwardly. It's a proactive approach to defense. If the support level is successfully held, the price of Shiba Inus can rise. Should the 39 trillion Shiba Inu mark remain stable, it may draw in more purchasers who see the steadiness as an indication of an impending price increase. Indeed, the success of this defense plan might portend a very bright future for Shiba Inu, which makes the issue very significant. It was just brazenly claimed by a Bitcoin expert that this is the final opportunity to purchase Shiba Inu before a possible 501% increase. Such audacious price forecasts often cause a great deal of enthusiasm and extensive debate among the cryptocurrency community. The prediction of large price rises by experts draws interest from traders, investors, and fans in equal measure. People begin to argue about whether or not such forecasts are feasible, what variables would spur such development, and whether or not they should move rapidly to take advantage of the chance. However, where did he get the 501% figure initially? Let's investigate it now. Shiba Inu's current market value, according to a recent update from analyst Mags, marks the final chance for the cryptocurrency community to purchase at a reasonably cheap price before a possibly dramatic upward climb. Mags hinted about an impending upward trend in the horizon by emphasizing that individuals who are now ignoring Shiba Inu would come to regret their choice. Strong positive attitude is implied by the analyst's comment, which shows confidence in the future price trajectory of Shiba Inu. Mags emphasized his accurate timing of the large spike in Shiba Inu during the first quarter of this year in the following figure. He said that he bought Shiba Inu just before its peak, and by March, it had recovered to levels not seen in 3 years. Following more than 2 months of consolidation, Mags now believes that the bullish trend that was halted is about to get back up. According to his prediction, by September, Shiba Inus may reach a new all-time high of more than 3014. This audacious goal would need a significant 501% increase above present levels. Mags's bullish perspective is often echoed by other crypto community experts. Veteran Bitcoin supporter Da Vinci Jeremy recently made the same assertion, although with a little lower price target that Shiba Inu is ready for another bull surge. Both experts think that Shiba Inu will probably witness higher movement in the foreseeable future, although having different objectives. The positive outlook around Shiba Inu has been reinforced by the opinion recently offered by crypto instructor Rafael Arrigo. She said that she positioned herself for a possible upward trend in Shiba Inus by taking advantage of the price decrease and buying more. Even while experts are expressing optimism, we should not overlook the ongoing defense of the 39 trillion Shiba Inu level. 39 trillion is the defense of support levels. Shiba Inu is significant because it keeps the price from dropping further and contributes to price stabilization. In the absence of such support, there may be more selling pressure on the market, which might postpone or stop any price gain. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.